Zite has supported two ways of communicating with the LLM as you build your apps. You've been able to give build instructions to your app where it immediately starts building, and you've also been able to chat where you can ask questions about your app, your workflows, and your database without it actually making immediate changes to your code. But what do you do in those situations when you want to better understand how Zite is actually making its decisions, where you might have questions about the underlying architecture or how it's planning on implementing a new feature? That's where Zite's new plan mode comes in. You can use plan mode in a couple different situations. Rather than typing one massive prompt, crossing your fingers, and hoping that Zite one-shots your app, you can now request that Zite plans a course of action so that you have the opportunity to review it, chat about the plan, and give any feedback before any building actually begins. Or in the course of adding a new major feature or debugging your application, you can request that Zite builds a plan for you as well. Builders know that despite TikTok influencers trying to convince you that you can dream up any app and build it in a single prompt, that real software takes iteration, getting feedback from your team, and implementing new features. And that's why I love using plan mode in my workflow. Your plan is generated as a document, and in it you can feel free to make changes so that the plan can adapt to your specific needs. You can chat about the plan with the LLM as well. And perhaps my favorite feature is this guided assistant to help with your plan. It will surface questions about your plan, allowing you to give responses in a way that feels much more proactive, like you're actually collaborating with an assistant, as opposed to always having it be reactive to your instructions. And plan mode, from my perspective, is an awesome addition for two very different groups of people. If you're an expert in your business, but maybe a little bit less technically proficient, then using this guided assistant approach to plan mode is going to help you uncover blind spots that you might not even be aware of. On the other hand, if you're more technical and you want to get a better understanding of how the code is being implemented and correct some of the details ahead of time, you're going to appreciate plan mode as well. And the last thing that I'll add is that using plan mode can also be a great way to save on credits. You know that expression, measure twice, cut once? The whole idea is that the more preparation that goes into planning can actually save you from having to reprompt several times to fix your application. Check out the new plan mode in Zite and let us know what you're building in the comments below.